Right, you guys got another video. Microsoft is spying on users again. According to Zilly, this person has posted a post on X saying Microsoft added a new background service to your PC in Windows 11. It is called Windows Health and Optimization Experiences. It starts automatically every time you boot. It monitors your CPU, thermals and battery, then sends data to Microsoft every 15 minutes. It was built for laptop battery management. If you're on a desktop gaming PC, it does nothing for you except run in the background, open services and check it for yourself and see if it's running. Basically, this post got 118,000.7 views. That means it went viral. And this is exactly how this sort of content gets spread on the internet. People post it on X, they post it on websites, people write articles on things like this, and people make videos on YouTube. And of course, some videos are created by AI, which a lot of that stuff is just fake news. So what is it? And let's take a look. If we come down on our services tab right here, and we look for the service in question, which is the one that they're talking about. Now, there's quite a few services in Windows 11, and it's this one right here, Windows Health and Optimization Experiences. So people are saying that this is a brand new service that's just been added to Windows 11, and of course, it's sending data back every 15 minutes, which means obviously this would be a major privacy concern. If you did want to stop it, all you'd need to do is click on the stop button right here. And you would then change the startup type to disabled and click apply and OK, and that would stop that service from running. But if you do want to leave it running, you just need to leave that back on automatic delayed start and click OK, and it will continue to run in the background. So is it a concern and should we be worried about it? So it would be useful if Microsoft disclosed some information about it, and that's exactly what they did. Scott Hanselman, who works for Microsoft, said this was added in 2025 for the performance and diagnostic capture. When Windows detects slow or sluggish behavior, it can record targeted performance traces locally under that service. And you can see right there that it can be filed with the feedback hub. It's not a laptop specific, and also saying things in all caps for drama doesn't make it dramatic. So he went ahead and explained exactly what that is right there in that post, and it's been around since 2025 and it's nothing new. So basically, at this point, it's over a year old and it's not sending information back every 15 minutes about what you're doing on your computer, which is completely misleading and a lot of misinformation. NeoWin.net has also made a post about it, so has PC World. They've also made a post about this exact post on X, which Zilly has obviously created. And of course, this is all they need. This is exactly what's happening every day. WindowsLatest.com went into great detail explaining exactly what this is and what their findings were and what Scott Hanselman has actually explained there. And this is pretty common today where people are making false claims and then putting them on the internet, and some of these become viral, and of course these become cemented in time. People then are brainwashed into believing this is exactly what Microsoft are doing. And of course there is tons of services in Windows 11, and of course there is also scripts out there that will basically put a lot of these into manual, which can mess up your computer. So would I turn this service off? I would probably leave it alone, because messing with services can really mess up your computer. There's scripts out there that will turn loads of services into manual mode. And yes, it does lower the process count, but that doesn't really do anything to your PC, and it can make your PC unstable. Now, there is a couple in here that you might want to take care of, and it's connect user and telemetry properties. This is basically a telemetry service, and you can turn this off by just putting it to stop and then putting it to disabled. You can see mine is already turned off. And there's a few others in here that you might be interested in turning off. One is the geolocation service. If you don't use weather apps and all this sort of stuff on your computer, and you don't want to be geolocated, then you can turn the geolocation service off as well. Now, some of these services are already turned off by default, but there's not that many that you need to turn off inside Windows. I see another one they like to turn off, which is the print spooler. But if you've got a printer, your printer's not going to work. So be careful what you're watching on YouTube, because there's heaps of YouTube channels out there that are AI generated, and these are just spreading misinformation every single day, trying to get views. And of course, it's not good for the platform. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who have joined my YouTube members group. I really do appreciate the support, and I'll catch you in the next video, or I'll see you on the Discord server. Bye for now.